If you haven't already connected your ELD provider to the exchange, you'll be prompted upon logging in. Click Connect ELD Provider and then follow the steps to connect your provider to the exchange. If your provider is not listed, please email carrier@autohaulerx.com. Once your connection is complete, you'll be able to find all of your vehicles under Tracking in the Account Settings tab. If you have vehicles that are uninsured, please be sure to update your COI. When booking a load, you'll now be able to select these vehicles from the drop-down menu under ELD Tracking. If you would like to change your vehicle after the fact, you can click on your vehicle under ELD Vehicle and switch to a new one from the drop-down menu.